All right, so how you can edit your Robots.Txt file. So you're gonna have to go to settings, and then here we have three dots here. Click on that, and then here select edit code. And then here in templates, we click on add a new template, and then here select products.txt. Now you also have other templates like index, customers, collection. Now I'm gonna select here done. And now as you're gonna see, I'm gonna have here, when I have here in product here, this file, right? With this code, we use Shopify as our e-commerce platform, and this is the code. Now we can preview our store. So now if you want, you can also, 1 second, so it loads.